Good morning. Welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I am Erica. This is my channel. If you're new here, please stay till the end and see if you like it. I am losing my voice, so I am going to try to get as many videos today recorded as I can before I lose it all the way. I have at least 3 or 4 I could record, if not more. I know it's after Christmas, and there'll be a video that is getting recorded after all these of just chit-chatting. So I think it'll be up before this. So, alright, what we're going to do now is I am going to use one of my Christmas gifts that Jason got me. He loves getting me the Too Faced sets. And this year was Christmas Around the World. And it came with 3 eyeshadow palettes and a Better Than Sex mascara. That is his favorite thing to do. He always gets me the Too Faced sets. None of the palettes had a bronzer in it, so we're just going to go straight into the one from 2 years ago, I believe. And we're going to use the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in here. I have a new mirror. I don't have a new mirror. I have an older mirror that I've used before. The big mirror was kind of getting in the way. And I could see it through here and the light was glaring off of it. It was really strange looking. I don't know if it's just because I haven't recorded in over a week or 2 or what. But if you've ever noticed the white glare at the bottom of this thing, let me know. Because I noticed it today when I went to go set up. I was like, what the heck? I'm not exactly sure when this is going up, and I'm sure there's going to be more videos of me using stuff he got me. So, alright, there's a highlighter in there, and there's not a highlighter in here. But there is some pretty Amazon Angel light blush. I love the light pink blushes because it gives just the right amount of pink. And this smells like mango. I love how this smells. See what I mean with the light pink? I love that. We're going to go into this highlighter, which is Angel Wings. I'm not going to use the mascara because I believe I already have a Better Than Sex mascara. But I'm probably not going to use Better Than Sex. For some reason, under my eyes is already creasing, and I just got finished doing my face makeup. Let me see something. I'm going to take a little bit of spray, setting spray, and see if I could undry out that area. I don't put powder. I don't bake under my eyes. So it's weird that it did that already. Still using the Maven. I'm almost out. I need to order more. I love how it feels going on my skin. Alright, there's the face makeup all done. And the colors on this. Let me see. Do I have a... I don't. Okay. We have Poppy Noel. Papai. P-A-P-A-I. Noel. Sugarloaf Mountain. Her name is Rio. If y'all know what that P-A-P-A-I and Coco Cabana. This is the first row of shadows. Alright. And then Bossa Nova Noel. Feliz Natal. Sabadi to Love. Christmas Carnival. Alright. And that's the second row. They're a little bit more deep. Those would be perfect for crease shades. I am not sure why I'm losing my voice. I'm going to explain all that in a video that you've already seen before this. There's a couple of things that could be going on, and I'm not sure which one is that's doing it. This is the her name is Rio. It's just a light wash of pinky type color for the transition shade. And then we're going to go into it's here somewhere. You know what? I'm just going to grab. Have you ever been in some of those in a mood where it's like I don't know if y'all can tell, like you know you need to do something but you really don't have the energy to do it? The something. Let me get this light. Like it's almost like it's washing me out. Is that better? Because I wasn't seeing my eyebrow. It's not that I don't want to talk to y'all. Don't get me wrong. It's not that. It's like how can I explain? Like you don't have the willpower to do something, and it seems like you're pushing yourself to do it. It's kind of where I'm at for some odd reason. Felice Natal is what we're going to go into. It's like a brownie color. Gotta make that look a little bit more so y'all could see. I gotta clean this little mirror. I found it the other day. I meant to have it in here. And when I was cleaning Eric's room, for some reason he had it in his room. Which I'm sure was because he could see his Thomas the Train or Lightning McQueen in it when he was playing. He could set it up and see. I like the way that looks. It's nice and, you know, light. Because I'm really not, I can't lie. I probably am going somewhere today. But it's literally to the pharmacy here in town. You know, one of those small town pharmacies. To pick up Eric's meds and my meds. Okay, it must be still washing out because this looks much more intense down there than it does up here. So let's see. No. It's still, I kind of like the in between. You know what? I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I might have to go back to my old camera holder. Okay, now we're gonna go into. Let me know if it's the way it usually is, because I mean, but let me see. Let me get close. See how it's a little deeper. Let's go into Christmas Carnival. It's like a reddish metallic. I only want to go halfway across. I covered y'all, sorry. I like this little mirror because I could look straight at where it looks like I'm looking straight at you, but I can actually be looking down. Alright, so we got that. Now I want to take that Coco Cabana shade. We're going to use this e.l.f. smudge brush. Get rid of some of that. We're just going to kind of take that shade and put it on the outer edge right there. Let me get the blending brush. We're going to use this one. It's Elaine Badoro. I'm just trying to blend it across the top. And I want to smudge some across the bottom with this little Arturo brush. Just going to use... It's like really thick right there. I don't know if y'all can see me doing that one. Now what I'm going to do is take this brush and kind of blend it across. Smoke it out. See how it went away? But it blended it all the way across. You could see just a little. I'm going to take what's left on here and get a little bit more across on that side, because this side's was a little bit more than the other. I'm gonna go into that first transition shade and just kind of pull it across the top again. And then I want to take my little inner corner brush and I want to go into Boss Nova Noel. Put it right there on the inner corner. And a little on the outer tail of the brow brush. Let's go in here to this. Also, I will take this angel wings. This has like a little Morphe pencil brush. Alright, we're going to take the highlighter brush again. This is a Wet n Wild one. I love it. Alright, and we're going to go ahead with the Maven again. I love it. Let me see if I can reach. I'm going to grab the Too Faced Damn Girl one. Where is, okay. Where is my, there it is. If you're new here, I like doing my eyelash curler after I put my mascara on, because I like that it daubs it. If that, I don't think that's the word. I like that it makes it not so clumpy. We're going to put on some of the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline. And I'm going to take the Kylie Red Lip Liner. sometimes you don't need those big lipsticks. You just need gloss and a pretty lip liner to get the just right effect you're looking for, which is what I was doing. I wasn't wanting to put like a huge red lip on, but I think the lips look really good, especially with this makeup look. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm pretty sure this isn't going to go till like Friday or something. My nose is itching so bad, but I will talk to y'all soon. Love you. Bye.